How to change your account location in Roblox on mobile. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Roblox support and request a location change. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Tap three dots in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Help and Safety. Then tap on Help. Next, tap Search Our Articles. In the search bar, type Location. Select the article about account location. Scroll down until you find Need More Help? Contact Support. Tap Contact Support. Now, enter the required information about your Roblox account. For device type, select Phone. Next, choose the appropriate help category and select the option related to changing your location. In the description box, explain that you've moved to a new country and want to update your Roblox account location. For example, you can write, "Hi, I've moved from blank country to blank country. Please update my account location." Replace the countries with your actual information. Once you've completed the form, tap Continue or Submit your request. Roblox support will review your request and let you know if they can update your account location. And that's it. That's how you can request a change to your Roblox account location on mobile. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Roblox tips and tutorials.